everybody, hope you're all doing well and I hope you're keeping up with your collage ideas. So this week I thought we'd carry on from the insect butterfly class of last time to birds. So I have a couple of wee birds to show you here. This one is just a few very basic shapes cut out from the papers that we made. So I started with the body shape and then I did two sort of wing shapes, and then the legs, they don't even have feet, and a little beak, and then I cut out a white circle for the eye and coloured it in with black ink. So there is one very simple little birdie. This one is actually more simple even though it doesn't look it. So what I did for that one, I just kind of splodged some grey and green paint onto a page to make the paper first, and then I cut out the very basic bird shape there, but because of the way I painted the colours on, it sort of gives it quite a lot of texture and makes it more interesting. Then I cut out the wing shape, and if you to make it easier, you can draw the shape of the bird on the back of your paper. I always find that helps. And then the beak, the little feet, a bit more detailed this time, and the eye was the same as the other one. So, you know, as usual, be as elaborate as you want to be, add as much as you want to. I have some inspiration ideas for you that I'll send in an email to Mindwise, so if you want access to that, you can get it. And I hope you have fun with your birds. Okay, bye!